Hi, welcome to Pivot Coder. Want to start coding in Java but doesn't know where to begin? In a few minutes, I'll show you how to write your first Java program. So this channel is your new home for Java tutorials, coding tips and project ideas. If you're starting from scratch or pivoting into tech, you're in the right place. Java is one of the most popular and powerful programming languages out there. It's used in web apps, Android development, backend systems, and many more. So without wasting any more time, let us get into the topic how to write a Java first program. So first of all, you need to install Java. Go to Google and download Java. So the first link, take the first link, it is Java downloads. So in this you can see the latest version. If you are using Windows, then you can download the Microsoft installer. So I have already installed, double click it, and definitely it will be installed. So after installing, you have to check whether the path to the class path and Java files are installed or not. So if not, you have to go to the C drive, go to show more options and properties. Then you have to go to advanced system settings and take the environmental variables. So actually many persons set the user variables, but I will say you how to set the path permanently in system variables. First you need to take the path. So this is the path actually. You have to check the path where the Java is installed. For example, in my system it is installed in C drive, program files, and in program files x86 here, program files in Java, JDK. This is the path. So I have kept the path here. In the system variables, I have mentioned the path here. See, you can see it here. Okay. Then I have set the class path also. So let forget about this class path. I will be explaining this in my next videos because it is somewhat technically related. So first you have to set the path and you have to check whether, click OK. Then you have to take the command prompt and you have to check whether Java is installed or not. Okay, you have to check Java C compiler is working or not. So if both are working, then your class path has been set perfectly. So now let us take the first program. So most of the persons will advise you to start coding in integrated development environment like NetBeans or Eclipse. But I don't suggest you to do so because it will not give you the complete guidance and the complete architecture of Java, how it works. If you use the IDE, you will not be able to know how the Java actually works. So let us learn Java from the scratch. In my all my videos, I will be teaching you Java from the scratch, and I will write the programs in Notepad only. Even I will be doing videos on servlets, everything concepts and web concepts also. I'll be doing completely in Notepad only, so that you will be able to understand Java more deeply. So let us do our first program. So let us define the class. So I'll be explaining what is class in my next videos. In a detailed video, I'll be making it. So define the class. I have given the class name as main. So we will be declaring the main method public static void main. So we'll define the arguments as a. So this is a very simple Java program. So this is just to get started. System.out.println will print as hello world. Hello world. So this is our first Java program. System.out.println. So let us save this file. Click save as. So I'll be selecting a folder to save it. We already created a folder as Java. Select all files because we'll be giving the file name as .java. So select all files and save the file as the class name where you have mentioned. So here the class name we have given as main. This is our class name. Save the file with the same name. So now we have to go to the folder where the program has been saved. Cd space Raju, space Java. So this is the folder. This is the path to the program. So first of all, while compiling, we have to give Java C space main.java. So let us check any errors are there. So there are no errors. Okay. So now to run the program, we have to give Java space the class name. So this is the output hello world. So let us recap what we have discussed in this video for just 1 minute. First of all, we have installed Java. Then we have set the environmental variables in Windows. We have set the variables in system variables, not the user variables. Then we have checked whether the Java and JavaC both compiler and interpreter are working or not. After that, we have written very simple program just to print the hello world. So this is our first Java program. And we have also discussed that we'll be doing all the videos in command prompt and notepad only. Most of my videos will be doing in notepad and command prompt only, so that you'll be able to understand Java very deeply. So please subscribe. So this is my first video. Any recommendations you can give in the comment section. So please subscribe. Thank you very much.